morning. We just entered this trade, IMPP. So it has been made a nice move pre-market, and then it came down towards these areas of support, held support quite nice, and now it is breaking above resistance, testing these other resistance levels right below that $2 mark. We're gonna go ahead and keep watching it there. We have a stop loss underneath this pivot there. Nice increase in volume happening at the moment. We have resistance around 195, $2. Let's see. There's that 195, testing that 195. Right here. This is there, $2. Let's see. Still testing that 195 resistance, having some trouble breaking above it. You may get a pullback before it's and a bounce before it could come back up and break that level. You can expect a pullback near 189, 190, near our entry point. Ton of orders there on the ask at 194. Sizable bids holding up at 193, breaking below 193. Here we go. Here's a pullback. Possible bounce off VWAP area 189, 190. We need some buyers to step in around here, this area of support. Looking for that bounce and retest of that resistance at 195. Starting to see some buyers come in there. We're still struggling. Okay, back towards 195, breaking that 195 resistance level. Are we peekabooing above that 195? There's 197, major resistance there at the whole $2 as well. Breaking 197, testing 198, 199. Testing 199, breaking 199. There's $2. Some sizable sellers as 2. There's 201, 204. Nice little squeeze there. Some nice action there happening. Around 6% at the moment. Not liking this green candle though. Now we're looking to bounce. If it pulls back, we're looking for a bounce off of 195. It's keeping it going. There's 207. Some sellers there though. Retesting that 205. 204 has some sizable bids, but it's slowly chipping away at those 204s. Goes 207, 208. No, it looks like a big rocket, but we have to be careful because it can always flash downwards as well. Oh, this is exciting. Want to see it break above that 208. There's that break of 208, testing 209. There's 210, 211. Some sizable sellers there, 211. Pull back there. I can still pull back all the way back down towards 195. We can still expect to pull back all the way down here. New 5-minute candle, new 15-minute candle, new 1-minute candle in about 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Nice looking pattern there on the 15-minute chart. You can see double bottom bounce there. Earlier in the morning, influx of buyers there. Excuse me. Came down towards these areas of support, up towards VWAP as resistance, then back down. Boom. Added on that bounce, increase in volume, and then it broke above that resistance, 197, 95, 195, and now it's pulling back towards that area as a area of support for a possible bounce again off of that area, and then continuation move to the upside. We have our stop loss and take profit target. Testing 2 as a support first before testing 195 possibly. Some buyers are coming in at 2. Stock is up around 39-40% at the moment. IMPP, Imperial Petrol. So low free float, high relative volume is one of the leading gainers. Let's see. More buyers there trying to come in. There is some sellers there, 206. There's a 10,000 bid. There's 208. I want to see how if it manages to come back up towards 212, how it behaves, how it challenges that 212 as a resistance. Time in sales looking like a Christmas tree. Christmas lights there. There's a little indecision happening there, but ultimately it is going in our direction. It is quite bullish, though if it is extended to this degree, it looks overextended at this degree, you want to make sure that could just continue a few cents more before we sell. Let's see. So it's hitting some resistance a little harder than we'd like, but have to keep in mind that we still have some critical support down here around 195 we can potentially hold. There's a new 5-minute candle, new 1-minute candle there. $15-minute chart. See, it's still going towards our favor there. Want to see it test that 208 area and 212 once again. Tool 6, tool 7, testing tool 7. Want to see that tool 8 there on the ask. Testing tool 6 as bids. There's tool 8, testing tool 8, breaking tool 8. Breaking 208. Want to test that 209. Want to see 210. There's 210. Chipping away that 209 bid though. Chipping away our bids though. Looking at the 5-minute chart, we can see top and tail candles there. There is some resistance happening. Considering raising the stop loss to secure some profits here. Give it a little moment there though before we do. There's that 210, chipping away that 210 ask. Just a few more cents there. 210 side here. Alright, let's see. It's becoming a little too top heavy there. I'm gonna go ahead and check this one out like this. $2, 195. Let's see. Volume has began to decrease. We have to keep our eyes peeled there. Let's see, boom, boom. Volume wanting to come in there though. These levels of resistance are pretty strong. I'm gonna go test that. 210. Testing 210, breaking 210, testing 212, breaking 212. Just a few cents away from the take profit. I have to be careful here. Go ahead and raise our stop loss way up there. Oh, hold on. Hold it. It has to break above that so we can raise our stop loss. Oh, let's see. Some buyers coming in there again. So you can still pull back down here and then make a bounce off of those 208s and 209. Yep, go ahead and raise your stop loss towards 207 there. Becoming very top heavy. At this point, if it does decide to pull back towards 195 area, it'll be pretty sketchy there, because if it pulls back all over here after all this volume, it can feel like it's going to come way down. At least right here, we'll go ahead and secure at least over $200 in profit. Either 200 or 300, we're in between here. It's all the same thing, it's just numbers. We are in the green though. And we are approaching a very strong resistance level. And we are planning to sell. Sell high. Not sell low. There's 215, 214 on the bid. It's very close. It's just very, very close. Few cents. Right now we are stress-free about it. We're still going to make a dime at least. A dime or two. There's 216. He's chipping away at our 214 bids. Some increase in volume there. You can see how it's very hesitant, very hesitant these last cents. That's the intimidating part about it, because it can easily just flush. Like, people might just get discouraged and it'll flush downwards. The reason why it's at 207 is because here 208 can act as a area of support, as well as 210. If it's this extended, it can still work out. If it doesn't, boom, we'll just take our profits and run. It's no biggie. Now right here we can see it attempting to hold those areas, 210, 212 to bid. Mixed feelings about it right now. High is 216 over here. There's 215, 214. Just gonna try to challenge that high. No pressure, just like literally 3 cents away. Let's see, possibly we could raise it another 2 cents there. Securing a little more, up 14%. Possible stop out right here. 210 bid. Breaks that 210 bid. Hit 209 and we get stopped out. There you go. Stopped out. And not bad. $235 on the morning there. Couldn't get the whole cake, but we got a nice little chunk of it, nice little slice. All right, and that'll be it. We can see that on the 5 minute, it looks very extended, and began to be hesitant on like moving a little higher, despite it being just 3 cents away from our take profit. Went ahead and rose our stop loss from red all the way to well, from red to past break even all the way up here, and that's despite thinking that 195 would have been a great area of support. It can still come down towards 195, these areas here, but can't really predict the future. Who knows if the volume will be right when it does or not. You know, overall not bad. Content with the decision, and yeah, thanks folks for being here and for watching. Let me know if you have any questions, hit me up, and I'll catch you on the next one. All right, bye bye.